Racing just is started. We have Masaganang Aniya. Break quickly at the start. Gabo. Then down on the inside is Boss Doding. In the middle portion, Sobrang Class charge forward. Adhika in. While Promise is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Gabo by about 8 lengths. And in second is Masaganang Ali. 8 lengths further back. In third comes Boss Doding, and on the outside comes Sobrang Class Adhika in. Charge forward while Promise is still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Gabo by about 6 lengths, and in second is Masaganang Ani. Adhika in now moving up to take third, then followed by Sobrang Class Boss Doding. Then next on line is Charge Forward while Promise is still racing in less. Another fourth turn, we have Gabo maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Masaganang Ani remains in second. Adhika in now coming closer in third. Then next on line is Sobrang Class Promise. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Gabo by about 8 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Masaganang Ani. Adhika in is down on the inside. Sobrang Class Promise. Last 50 meters, it's all Gabo. And finally, Gabo. Second, Adhika in, Masaganang Ani, Promise. Then comes Sobrang Class.
5, 4, 2, 3.
Photo tayo second.
Parehong 4.
Dikit